Alright, we're going to give the mini inductor 12 volt unit again, give it another try. Put a new electrode in there, fresh wrap, but last time I used it I was starting to get some arcing where the insulation came off. And we'll see what we can do with this set bolt here. One of the things, you need the coils to fit as close as you can around the target nut or other item that you're pulling your bolt out of. And we got a pretty good tight fit here. So we'll see how long it takes. See if we can, whether we need to turn that thing red hot or not. Getting some fumes coming off. They recommend, the legalese recommends that you have a face mask on, double the 2-filter face mask if you're working with anything that could put out toxic fumes. Working outside and trusting that this old piece of junk probably doesn't have much of anything along that nature. Not turning red hot as quick as the 1800 volt did, but certainly putting out some heat given those what we're seeing come off of it. We'll give it a try and see what we can do. There we go. Well, it's coming right out of the, I guess we had a tightener nut on there, is what we were working with, but the heat transmitted down into the joint, and I can assure you that without a little heat, that would not have popped loose like that. I don't think I'm going to grab it with my fingers. They advise using a thermal glove on it. And there we go. Not too bad.